Good morning, students. Dear students, today we will discuss about the study of the gas law. This is your chapter name. In this chapter, we have to discuss about the pressure and volume relationship in gases. Pressure and volume relationship, it means temperature is constant, number of moles for the gas is also constant. This pressure and volume relationship explained by the Robert Boyle in 1662, and this law is also known as the Boyle's law. According to this, you can tell that the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure applied on the gas at the constant temperature. Actually, in the Boyle's law, we have to keep the temperature constant, and we have to take for the any dry gas. If you will take the dry gas, means if you will consider a gas for the experiment, then number of moles for the gas is also constant, and at the constant temperature, if you will apply the pressure on the piston of the wall of the container, suppose this is the container in which you have taken a dry gas, okay, and you are applying the pressure on the piston. So dear students, if you will apply the pressure on the piston, then what will happen? This piston will go down, means volume of the gas will decrease. Means if you will apply the pressure on the piston, suppose pre-pressure you are applying, then what will happen? Then this piston will go down. It means volume of the gas will decrease. Volume of the gas will decrease by applying the pressure P on the piston. If you will decrease the volume of the gas, then gas molecule will come closer and closer. As the gas molecule will come closer and closer, so the pressure inside the container will increase. Means pressure and volume both are inversely proportional to each other. Pressure and volume both are inversely proportional to each other at a given temperature. So same thing explained by the Robert Boyle in 1662. Volume of a given mass of the dry gas is inversely proportional to the pressure at constant temperature. It means mathematically, if you want to explain it, then you can tell that V is inversely proportional to pressure at the constant temperature. Or if you want to perform same experiment at the different temperature, then P1 V1 equal to constant, that is suppose K. So for two different kinds of the pressure and volume, means 2 times pressure you have applied, that pressure and volume both will be different at the different condition, then P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 is equal to constant. This is the Boyle's law, mathematical expression of the Boyle's law, which is also known as the Boyle's law equation. Okay, now same equation, same expression we have to show with the help of the graphical representation, means graphical verification of the Boyle's law. As we have discussed that volume is inversely proportional to the pressure, that is P is inversely proportional to the volume, that is P is equal to K into P. This is just like the equation of the straight line y is equal to mx. So if you want to draw the graph for this equation, then you can take a straight line, x-axis, suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. On the x-axis, this is y is equal to mx. So at the place of y, v you have to take, at the place of x 1 by p. 1 by p. Now straight line will form which will pass from the origin, but you should know that this is at the constant temperature, means temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. So this is the first graph, which is volume versus pressure. Volume versus pressure. And second graph you can take in between volume versus pressure. Here volume versus 1 by p, and here volume versus pressure. So here you will get just like hyperbolic curve. You will get a hyperbolic curve. Here this is volume, on x-axis pressure. So you will get a hyperbolic curve, means temperature is constant here, and you will get a hyperbolic curve. One more graph is possible, third one, which is suppose P into V versus pressure, means product of pressure and volume versus pressure. This is very important graph for you, my dear. This is P into V, and here on the x-axis suppose you have taken pressure, then a straight line you will get. A straight line you will get here at the given temperature. At the given temperature. So this is the complete information about the Boyle's law. Once again, within 1 minute I want to tell about the Boyle's law. Dear students, according to the Boyle's law, at a given temperature for the gas, volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. That is P1 V1 is equal to constant, or P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 is equal to constant. Okay, by use of this equation you can solve some mathematical question which is given in your book. First you have to solve the examples, after that you have to solve the book from page number 119. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.